So you want to add music to a video on iPhone. Well, today I'm going to do a quick iMovie tutorial for adding music. That's coming up. Hey, I'm Frankie J, and entrepreneurs and business owners hire me to propel their business using video because most don't have the time or the skills to create videos that are actually effective in getting them results. So I help them to quickly and easily create videos with their authentic message that grabs attention and that turns fans into clients. So if you're a business owner or entrepreneur that wants to nail video first time, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Heaps of content to get you started and get you growing in your business using video. So on to today's topic, easily adding music to your video using your iPhone. And make sure that you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you my pick for the best sites to get tons of royalty-free music that's going to enhance your videos and isn't going to be the same as everyone else's, so you stand out. Right, so let's take out our iPhone and open up iMovie. So you've finished editing your masterpiece and you want to add music to make it really stand out. It's super simple. All you need to do is click on the plus button. Now if you haven't come to this main menu page and you're somewhere in here, just click the back button until you get to this screen. Scroll down until you find audio. Now this is where you need to know a few things. My first disclaimer is that you can use music that iMovie has built into the app. But remember, lots of people are doing this. So your video may sound the same as theirs, and people do start to recognize tracks as Apple tracks, like this one. So we'll go back. My other disclaimer is, you can use music that you put onto your phone under My Music, but do not use tracks that are copyrighted. So under your albums or your artists, whoever you're listening to, do not use these tracks. These are songs that you've been listening to while driving, at the gym, etc. So you want to put on royalty-free music onto your phone. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you the best sites to get this kind of music in just a moment. But I keep a playlist of production music I use for my videos. These are all the songs I've downloaded from various sites that are royalty-free. So once you've chosen your song, hit the plus button, and iMovie does the rest. It puts it at the beginning of your video, and it puts it in the background, and it automatically turns the sound up or down depending on what other audio is detected in your video. And no matter how long or short your video is, it will loop for the duration of it. But of course you still have the option to turn it down further if you need to by clicking on it, hitting the volume control button, and just turning it down or up. Another super quick tip for you, if you want that music track to play above any sound and not turn up and down automatically, click on the scissors, click foreground, changes the music to be in the foreground, not the background, so it will take precedence over any other audio in your video. So to summarize, you're choosing music either from iMovie's selection of tracks or your iTunes, but making sure those music tracks you put into your iTunes are not copyrighted and have come from a royalty-free site. And iMovie is so intuitive, it turns the music up and down depending on what other audio is in your project and will play in the background for your whole video. So how are you going to find music that is perfect for your video and isn't the same as what everyone else is using? Well, check out this video here with my top 3 picks for royalty-free music sites for great music for your videos. Now thank you so much for watching and happy video editing.